Good morning mga kahuan. Today I will be resharing my Los Angeles Lakers McFarlane figures with their respective uh, autographs. Some are custom auto with logo or patch, while some are authentic autographs. At first, we're going to feature Kareem Abdul-Jabbar with a custom card logo doing the Skyhawk. Up next is James Worthy with an authentic autograph silver. Actually, I placed a price, but this is not for sale. Then we have Ervin Magic Johnson to complete the Showtime era. We have here a Don Rock autograph sticker of Ervin Magic Johnson. Also, I have here Pau Gasol. Actually, this is a custom figure from Bulls to Los Angeles Lakers. Then, with a custom autograph patch. Then we have Lamar Odom there, still in MSB, but yellowish packing with a legit autograph, numbered only to 15. Sorry, I haven't placed Ron Artest yet, but I have here a custom autograph of him, which already in a Meta World Peace. Actually, the figure behind Steve Nash is as custom Shaquille O'Neal. And Andrew Bynum figure. I have an Andrew Bynum figure custom. So with Shaquille O'Neal. I have two figures of Nash in Lakers uniform, the yellow and the purple and gold, but I don't have yet an autograph of him. Also, I have Malone in purple jersey with autograph, but it was still in Utah Jazz uniform. So with Gary Payton, I have an autograph, but he's still in Supersonics. And for the Los Angeles Lakers legend, I have here Elgin Baylor. That's a custom figure with an authentic autograph numbered only to 10. And it's on card. As of LeBron James, I have a custom autograph. Already have a custom autograph for Luka Doncic, but still haven't had any custom figure yet. Okay, thank you for watching. Who's your favorite Los Angeles Lakers figure. In my case, my first was Irvin Magic Johnson until the late Kobe Bryant came in 1996. Actually, I have several figures of Kobe Bryant, the Black Mamba, in MISB and loose figures. I haven't had any custom autograph yet, but I have several rookie cards and facsimile of him. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye. Up next are individual players. And again, who's your favorite Los Angeles Lakers player? Thank you for watching. Bye.